people are scrollers of sales letters. They usually go down, see what the price is, and they look at the PSs. So your PSs need to act as a mini sales letter. The first PS, like it says, quickly talk about the pain problem and how your product eliminates that pain or problem. Your chronic back pain will be gone soon when you purchase XYZ product. Oh, it will? Then I need to go back up and see what this is about. Okay, it needs to be, here's your pain, this is going to fix it. Okay, very short, very mini sales letter. Your second PS, your PPS. I've seen people doing PSS. I don't think that's right. I've been noticing that a lot lately, and I'm thinking there's some kind of psychological thing to that too. Maybe they ain't right. But it says reiterate your guarantee. So, you need to buy XYZ product, and heck, I'm even going to let you try it out, and if you don't like it, just let me know, and I'll give you the money back. You've got a 90-day guarantee. You've got a 1-year guarantee. You've got a lifetime guarantee. Hostler says that the longer your guarantee, the less likely they are to use it. Yeah, a page that has a 1-year guarantee is always going to outconvert, and with the same copy, is always going to outconvert something with a 90-day guarantee or a 60-day guarantee or a 30-day guarantee. I leave mine at 60 days. The PPPS. I don't understand this. It works though. I know it looks absolutely silly, but this is working. The last one, another benefit thing to keep them going. You've got them this far, make them hit that order button. They've already passed it once. This is your last chance. Bring up some scarcity to make the reader buy now. Close this one with an order link. So you'll write blah, 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 blah. There's only 21 left. Click here right now to order. That's what he means by close this with an order link. You guys have all seen in the PSs. Click here to order right now. And then what he does is he does a risk... a PPPS. No, we don't go that far. He does a risk-free order form. His order forms, he was actually one of the first people outside of direct mail that I saw using a coupon-style order form on their page. And to me, it totally makes sense because that's what we always did in direct mail. There was always a coupon that they sent in. There was always something they filled out and had to write their credit card number on and send in. And when you're doing online stuff, it's basically like having a direct mail piece, but it's just on a website. So you guys need to be paying attention to what those direct mail guys are doing. But he says, create your box and put, yes, your name, like if it was my product. Yes, Liz, I want to buy your product right now. He calls this a Johnson box. In the area above where you have the checkbox and yes, your name, be sure to exclaim excitement about the offer from the perception of the reader. Yes, Liz, I want 5-day cash machine because I want to learn to make money as an affiliate marketer. Okay? That's what you want to do. In this area, revisit the offer. When you buy a 5-day cash machine, you're also going to get all these videos. You're going to get a lifetime access to lessons with Liz, and you're going to get this and this and this, and it's only $47. And he says, for example, I understand that by acting today, I'm one of just 250 that will ever be able to get their hands on this cutting-edge strategy. Close the Johnson box with something along the lines of, it is on that basis that I am clicking the secure order button below and entering my credit card details this instant. Okay, you want to talk as if you're them. Again, I can't explain the psychology behind that, but 4.2% or I can't even remember, it was 4.2 to 12.8 or 4.2 to 12 or the other way around. At any rate, the man can write copy. I listen to everything he says.
That's getting into copy.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so the last thing that he has on here are the TOS, the privacy policy, and all of that legal stuff that I don't talk about at the bottom of the page. So that is the Tomy version of Hostler's Chunk Copy. Like I said, this thing is amazing. I have it printed out, not because I was bringing it here today to teach you guys, because this goes everywhere with me. If I am on vacation and I want to take one of my sales letters and I want to rewrite it, I can rewrite it using this. If I want to create a product on the fly, I can do that, and I always have this. It's always, you guys see me carrying around a purple binder this week, and I'm sure that's like my kid. That thing goes everywhere with me, and I don't let anybody touch it. If you even look at it funny, I'm eyeballing you. That thing goes everywhere with me, and this goes in that binder because it's that important. Chunk Copy is a product that we created. We actually gave private label rights to people, and people are thinking, well, this is just some kind of crap product. It's amazing. Amazing. No one, not John Carlton, not Dan Kennedy, none of those guys have ever put out a copy product that I've seen that teaches copy like this. Very impressed with this. Hausler did an amazing job. The second part of the Chunk Copy is a little tactic that I had him cover that I use. A lot of times in my niches, I'll find PLR content for that niche, the massage therapist quick cash product that I have. The niches that you guys hear me talking about are niches that I've created while I'm teaching this stuff. And what I mean by that is my coaching students, they'll hear me talking about all my internet marketing stuff. They're like, well, Liz, that's great, but I don't want to be in internet marketing. And they said, well, if you can do this in internet marketing, why can't you do it in other niches? This was a few years ago. And I said, okay. And I started going into other niches. Ashley Barnes, you can Google her, and you'll see a lot of niches for her. Those are all niches that I openly talk about. I have one other pen name besides Ashley that I never talk about, and those are like my secret undercover niches. But these ones I'm sharing with you guys, there's no reason you can't go and do research. Don't feel like, if you're doing research and you're Googling Ashley Barnes, I'm going to find out and come out. I don't care. I have her created so you guys can copy her. But my point here is I teach people to take PLR content and turn it into really good products. Most of the time, the PLR content that you're going to get isn't going to be the greatest. People like to slap that stuff together and just sell it. And it's not going to be the greatest, but I teach my people how to take the PLR content, and we call it spinning it, and making it into a good product that somebody would want to buy. You can do that in niches all day long. Again, I was presented with another problem. The sales letters that come with PLR usually suck too. So I had Hausler spend the remaining time on the webinar we did talking about how to take a PLR sales letter and use the chunk copy method on a PLR sales letter. So you're basically getting two courses in one. How to make a PLR sales letter good, and then how to create a sales letter from scratch. Amazing. If you guys can go to Hausler's help desk, his blog, whatever, after you get done with chunk copy, tell him how much it rocks. Tell him this, it rocks out loud, and he'll know who sent you. All right, guys, that's my copy. That's the only thing I can give you. I hope I've helped you guys.